Have you ever had a screaming orgasm? The cocktail, I mean. Keep watching and show you how to make one. Hey guys, so a while ago I did some cocktails that were 80s cocktails, and I did a screaming orgasm as part of that 5 80s style cocktails, which the link is just up here. But we've had so many people that just asked, can I do another video of it? Here it is. So what's in the screaming orgasm? Well, like most of them, they've all got vodka. These are 80s cocktails. So the first ingredient we're going to use is 30 mils or 1 ounce of vodka. Then 30 mils or 1 ounce of a coffee liqueur. Then 30 mils or 1 ounce of Bailey's Irish cream. And then 45 mils or 1.5 ounces of a half and half mix, which is half milk, half cream. Pretty simple, that's the ingredients right there. Give it a really good shake. Rightio. So I don't really double strain any cocktail that's creamy. I just sort of single strain. So I'm going to single strain this into a martini or a coupette. And for the garnish, just some chocolate dust. That is a screaming orgasm, and I'm going to give it a try. It's just like a coffee milkshake. So good. It's not something that you would drink a whole lot of them. However, that coffee, it's not overpowered. I honestly don't really pick up the Baileys on it. I do get the vodka. The chocolate dust is good as well. It's a bit of a no-brainer. This for me, I've said it before, it's like a hangover drink. When you're a bit hungover, 2 or 3 of these will just get you buzzing again. This is a screaming orgasm. Please like, subscribe. I'll see you again soon on Let's Talk Drinks.